On December 8, 2025, I posted a video introducing the menorah watch season. Link in the description box. The center and ultimate high watch of this season was seen to be December 25, Christmas Day. This because the season demonstrated a candlestick structure centered on that day. After Christmas passed, I saw that there is another way of looking at what the menorah watch season points to. As you can see here, throughout this period of time, another candlestick structure points to another Christmas day. January 7, the 7th day of 26, like Harpazo G726, happens to be Christmas Day as observed by Orthodox Christians. So I now see January 7 to be very high watch. But what if that day is also only the beginning of a period extending until an even higher watch day? I have noticed that there is a major clue in my personal experience that says it is so. And this is what I really want to share here. I was born on January 3, 1988, 1-3-88. Exactly 5,000 days after the day I was born, 9/11/2001 happened. Those 5,000 days were exactly 13 years, 8 months, and 8 days. Written as 13Y, 8M, 8D, we easily recognize the exact numbers in the same order as in my birthday, 1-3-88. Another 5,000 days, or 13Y, 8M, 8D, from the end of 9/11/2001 brings us to the beginning of May 22, 2015, the day of my final baptism, the day representing my new birth. On my birthday this year, I was 13,880 days old in perfect reflection of the day I was born, 1-3-88. My birthday this year was exactly 8,880 days after 9/11/2001. Notice also the half candlestick structure of the overall signification. Note that a central candlestick with 3 branches is so much like the 1-3 in my birthday. And how fitting that I turned 38 years old this year. 3 eighths is 888. Famously, the Greek gematria value of the Greek name translated Jesus in the English Bible. Those 38 years made me think, what if this is all about the day I am 13,888 days old? That would be 8,888 days after 9/11/2001 and 3,888 days after my born-again day. And then I get a comment on my last video about Esther's Tibet Union from a subscriber that goes by @Baron1408, who alerted me to the fact that 3 times 888 hours is 111 days. I was astounded by that, since I had already noticed that exactly 111 days after the beginning of September 23 is January 11. So guys, it would very much appear that I was born for January 11, 2026. Furthermore, the 8 plus 8 plus 8 days of the menorah watch season as most recently understood no doubt point to the same day. On August 24, 2024, my wife had a remarkable experience. She was in bed, asleep, in the early morning hours, and was awakened by a pleasant song playing in her room that could not be explained by any device like a phone. She did not recognize the tune, but it sounded like a song that may play as an alarm to awaken from sleep. She listened to it as she looked for its source, but could not find the source. Soon the song stopped playing and she felt an immediate, strong impression to check the time. She did so and saw that it was 1:11 a.m. She felt that the song had been playing to supernaturally alert her to that time, 1:11, or to the numbers 11 and or 111. When thinking about this, right after it happened, she and I made some observations. The date on which it happened looked like a biblical candlestick. 24 is 8 plus 8 plus 8. So the date was 24/8/24, 8 plus 8 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Also, 11 days after that day is our first wedding anniversary, September 4. 111 days after the day is her birthday, and 11 plus 111 days after that day is Christmas Eve. The only event we could think of that ties together a wedding, a birthday, and Christmas is the Rapture. At that event, Jesus will come to take his born-again bride to himself, and this was predicted in Revelation 12:5, which on the one hand points back to the Christmas story, and on the other hand points forward to the Rapture.